Hey, these cute Art Soothes the Heart coffee mugs are available in the shop. There's a link in the description box. Go grab yours today. Let's go make some art together because art soothes the heart. Thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. So you asked for it and I complied. Actually, no, Cindy, who follows me, liked the last video where I showed my new set of FaceUps, and I showed a die cut for a metal die cut to cut out glasses to decorate the FaceUp sheet, and she requested that I create a digital sheet that can be purchased for just glasses alone because she doesn't have a die cut machine, and maybe others who don't, who'd like to decorate with some glasses, could benefit from this. So I created a set. This has got some of the die cut glasses, so they're that size. Then I went all different sizes to make big and small, so you can do some wild things making big and small glasses on characters like this, adding the plastic to them and adding vellum and plastic behind them to make them look realistic, or like colored glasses, sunglasses, things like that. So here's what they look like, the dies look like, to cut them out using that metal die. And here's the page of glasses. So there's all different kinds, sunglasses, all different ones that could be cut out. The center's cut out and be used for making creative characters for your art journals. So this set is available in the shop, and there will be a link in the description box for where you can find this set, along with the metal dies set and the FaceUps. So enjoy, have fun, and Cindy, thank you so much for suggesting this. Hope you guys are having fun creating characters, FaceUp characters for your art journals. Go make some art today, because art soothes the heart.